Step into the world of forestry giants. Whether it's chains, rain, we're bringing you closer than ever to the machines that drive the industry forward. Wow, just look at the size of this cedar. Trees like this don't come around often, and taking it down was an achievement in itself. I don't know what will. Precariously, it's a serious hazard. Call in the professionals, let them handle it. Those guys are trained equipment to do it safely. Don't try to be a hero. The Senibogan 718 E-Series and Woody H61A. The 718's reach is like having an extra long arm, grabbing trees from afar. Chop, chop, done. It's all about working smarter, not harder. This combo maximizes productivity, win-win for the industry and our planet. You know, box for over 100 years. Maybe just embrace the stump. Turn it into a gnome home or a... All right, folks, this is where things get Call in the experts and avoid a DIY disaster. This ain't no time for amateur hour. The Easton-made 48C is a firewood-making monster. We're talking inch blade and a cabin that's straight out of a luxury car. You want to dominate your woodpile? Forget those wimpy splitters. This thing is the ultimate survival tool. It's bigger, badder, firewood game to the next level. Navigating logging trucks through these conditions requires exceptional skill, and a deep understanding of traction, center of gravity, and momentum become critical on slick, impressive expertise. This VK debarker utilizes a unique helical cutting head with 4 independently adjustable wide range of log diameters, 20 to 55 centimeters, with meters per hour. It represents a significant advancement in industrial debarking technology.